Hey guys, I know you've seen this one before, but yes, I love this and I love the color palette, and I'll let you know why. Because it matches my living room. See how pretty that is? But here's the thing. There's Mufasa. You say hi, buddy? Hi. I have this huge wall space right here, and we need something to go on that wall. And what better than this color palette? Huh? Yeah. See what I mean? Yeah. Perfect. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. You're too cute. Hey guys, sorry for the really weird angle, but this, as you can see, takes up my entire table pretty much, except for one little space over here off to the side where I can set my paints. So not a lot of working room, very difficult to get the correct camera angles, but hopefully you can see enough to see what I'm doing and what I'm using. We're going to be working on a 24 by 48 deep dish artist loft canvas. I have tape sprayed the back and put my push pins in. Got a little wonkiness to it, but not bad. So, all right, so that's that. Our base paint is kind of, let me see if I got you in the shot there. Yeah, we go. It's kind of a custom color. I created this using different whites like the Lucas Krill Studio Titanium White, a bit of raw umber, which you know I love. I love my raw umber. And some of the Liquitex Golden Metallic Medium. A couple of nice, really healthy squirts of that in there. I also put in some this little piggy latte. Use that latte. Give it a little bit more blingy, even though the Liquitex is pretty blingy. But it's got this kind of really cool beige color to it. And yeah, I like it. And I think it's going to be really nice. A really nice neutral base. So, and that is going to be our base. Then we have got this little piggy s'mores in this jar. I need to stir all these and thin them back down a little bit. They've been mixed for about a week. We're going to be using Harvest Gold from this little piggy. Love this color. Really, boom. And then we're also going to add a little bit to this palette this week. We're going to be adding Zeus, just because I want kind of that warm, almost copper feeling going against the blue and kind of the grayish tones that are also going to be in here, because we've got the Christina Welch Peraz Posse Twilight Pearl, which is just a gorgeous deep blue, but when it comes up against the TLP S'mores or kind of a creamy white beige, it changes colors, and I love it. So you get a lot of different tones out of this blue, even though it seems so dark, almost black. Once it mixes with different colors, it shifts and changes and brings out different tones of it, and I love it. Absolutely love this. I'll have the link where you can buy this from Christina Welch on her Etsy shop in my description. So, yeah, that's about it as far as all this. These are mixed differently than the straight pour I did last week. What was that called? Fire Ocean or Fire Wave or something like that. These are not mixed with School Glue pouring medium. These are mixed with Floetrol and GAC. I want to say kind of like 70-30, 70% Floetrol, 30% GAC. And then I added my paints to that. Would be 1 part paint to about 3 parts pouring medium. And then we're going to do water to thin. So Hopefully that made sense. That's the kind of the closest guess I can get because I don't actually measure everything out every single time. So I apologize for that. But all right, I'm going to go ahead, start brushing up my sides and letting them get tacky, and then that'll also give me a judge of how much time I've got to get this swipe done. Swipes dry super, super fast here in Southern Arizona because of the dryness. That's why you don't see me do a lot of them unless there's some humidity in the air, which is not very often. So wish me luck. Hopefully I have some working playtime on this.
TEMVTED, tempted. I was tempted. Tempted by your smile, I was tempted, and for a little while I was certain that I will be the one to change you, and you will be mine. You will be mine. I was tempted. Tempted by your eyes, I was tempted. The promises, the lies just keep hurting. They just keep on hurting. But I won't be the one to change you, and you won't be mine. No, you won't be mine. Like Eve in the garden when the evening came. How could I believe you, fooled and ashamed? I was tempted, but tempted I'm no more. I've attempted what was never done before. Drop the curtain, drop the curtain. See, no one ever changes, no one. Farewell and goodbye. It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be okay. The sun is shining bright to another day. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Well, if at first you don't succeed, you better try again. Clenched fist can't plant the seed. Open up your hands, gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, You're gonna find your way. It's gonna, It's very hard to let things go. It's hard to carry on. But if you won't try
And we're back with dry results. Am I digging this? Absolutely, I'm digging this. I love the color of the Zeus. I just don't love it in this painting. I wish more of my gold would have shown up. Yeah, I ran out of playtime on this because the air is just so dry here in southern Arizona. It's really hard to fuss. You got to get it right the first time, and I didn't get it right the first time. So, yeah, this is what we have. This is what we're going to work with. Stick around because this is just plan A. Plan B is still in the works, but I have a little bit of a sneak peek coming up, and you will see all of plan B on Wednesday of next week. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss it. And yeah, I'm kind of excited in the direction this is going. I'm doing something a little different, a little bit out of my wheelhouse and comfort zone. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I can't wait to see what happens to it too. But yeah, look at that. That square. It's so square and boxy. That I love. That I love. That, nope, I don't love. And yeah, it's just more copper than gold. I don't have that much copper in my living room, even though it's the Arizona, it's the copper state. Yeah, no, I don't have that much copper. So I want more blue in this. I want more browns in this. And, yeah, more gold, doggone it. So yeah, we're going to play around with it, mix things up. Now see, if you look at that very far right corner, if it would all look like that, maybe it would have gone untouched. Maybe I would have done some little touch-ups, but we're going to be doing a big overhaul. If you haven't checked out all the other artists in the train today, please go and do that. I'm not sure who's coming up next, but all their links will be down in the description. And oh, here's the sneak peek for next week. So this is where I say goodbye. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.
I wish I could stay here beside you in this moment. There's a future ahead of me, but the future can wait. I wish the time could stand. I wish the sun never goes down. There's a future ahead of us, but the future can